The Queen of the Arabian Sea, Kochi, with its natural harbour, is attracting traders from far and wide. Every day, tons of goods are imported and exported through the port of Kochi, and this gateway to South India has been the success venue for many. For the success of any business, you need a perfect partner, and that is exactly what Tropicana means. A perfect partner to frozen and refrigerated food industry. The rich experience, imported high-end equipments, adherence to quality and hygiene standards are the salient features of Tropicana. Once the goods reach in containers, the plant, designed using latest technology, provide most effective storage conditions. The plant is covered by a PEB structure steel columns and steel truss. The latest 150 mm thick PUF insulated prefabricated gal volume panels provide the best wall and ceiling insulation. The EPS insulated floor panels laminated with PVC acts as a vapor barrier on both the sides. A team of well-trained staff ensures adequate safety to the quantity and quality of the client's product. Machineries and accessories imported from European Union countries provide good efficiency and faster recovery to required temperatures. Microprocessor-based temperature and humidity indicator cum controller helps in accurate data logging and monitoring. The motor-operated frame-mounted automatic sliding doors with adequate insulation provides maximum protection. The cold storage that maintains a temperature of 2 degrees to 7 degrees Celsius will preserve the client's fruits, vegetables and spices as farm fresh. The deep freezer with a temperature ranging from -18 to -22 degrees Celsius will take good care of frozen food items. Facility to monitor temperature and humidity from the client's location and individual quick freezer to ensure product quality can be provided on client's request. The two generators with a capacity of 250 and 100 kVA each ensures seamless power supply. Strict fire and safety norms are observed to ensure safety and security. Not limiting itself to frozen and chilled storages alone, Tropicana travels an extra mile by offering dry warehouse facilities and well-furnished conference and office facilities of international standards with sufficient parking space to its clients if required. Sophisticated warehouse management system enables better accuracy, cost-effective and timely handling, minimizes human error and better control of inventory. Reefer trucks will be added soon to help clients deliver their products to their retail facilities within the state. Come, Tropicana is inviting to explore the business horizons of Kochi.